Mapagpalang araw mga lalabs, dahil wala po akong pasok ngayon ay nag-ikot-ikot po ako dito sa sa blueberry farm. So ayan po lalabs, ang lawak pa ng tataniman, ginagawa pa po yan. So nakita nyo po yan lalabs, pag yan po naayos, yan po ang iikutan ko lahat. Kaya halos dun nga sa hanggang sa Birdnet 7, inabot na ako na isang buwang kay ikot dito pa kaya sa lawak na ito. Ayan mga nakikita nyo po lalabs, yan po ay blueberry farm na hindi pa natataniman at ginagawa pa lamang para taniman. Tingnan nyo naman, kaya ang trabahador po dyan lalabs ay napakadami. So katabi po siya ng olive at kaharap din po yan ng olive. So andito rin po yung accommodation ng farm. Ayan, so marami pong accommodation ang farm ng blueberry. Ayan po yung accommodation. Ang presko. Ayan yung aking car. So walang people. Nasaan kaya sila? Iba nagtatrabaho. So napakalawak lalabs oh. Ginagawa pa po. So actually ang pakay ko talaga ay pumunta talaga dun sa olive farm kasi may kakausapin po ako doon. Pasilip lang sa lawak pa ng farm. Lalabs, nandito ako sa Seaview. Dito lalabs sa olive farm. Yan po yung yun. Lalabs, magtitingin tayo ng part-time dito sa kasi meron pa akong extra hours. May sobra pa ako na oras na pwedeng ipasok ng trabaho, kaya titingin tayo dito. Tinawagan ko na po ito lalabs, so medyo malayo-layo pala siya, 30 minutes galing sa bahay sa accommodation ko. So pasukin natin. Dito na ako sa may-ari lalabs. So this is your break time?
Yeah, we're just having a rest in the middle of the hot part of the day.
So this is your house?
This is the house.
Oh, that's very big.
Yeah.
You are rich in Perth.
Downstairs we have Airbnb.
Oh,
Upstairs we live.
really? So how much is that? The Airbnb?
It's 160 a night.
Ah, yeah, not for a week, like something like that.
Oh, some people stay a week, but not most people just stay a night or 2 nights.
Ah, yeah, because we have a lot of farm in here. Other farm.
Yeah.
So did the people work in here?
No, we don't have anyone work because we only have
No, other farm. What about the other farm?
other farms. Yeah, they have avocado farm.
Oh, close in here?
Yeah, just, if you go back out the way, did you come Orange Springs Road and
Yeah.
yeah, so go back that way, and when you turn onto KW Road, just keep going.
What's the name of the farm?
Oh, I don't know, but you see, I don't know, it's big, like it's a big farm.
Ah, it's big pa avocado farm. So that's Orange Spring Road also or not?
Well, that Sappers Road.
Ah, yeah.
Sappers Road. Sappers Road.
Yeah. So maybe I will check the avocado farm and then we will see. I want to visit in there also. Oh, this is inside. Ah,
So
this is the olive.
They're the olives we picked this morning.
So this color is ready.
Yeah. So when you're picking for oil, we get a mix of green and black because that gives you the best.
Ah, okay.
You get, as they go black, they produce more oil, but the green gives you the nice polyphenol, the good
Okay.
stuff.
So what about the size of
Well,
the?
this is a variety. This variety is called Nevadillo. It's a Spanish.
What kind of variety?
Spanish Nevadillo,
Okay.
and it's a Spanish variety. So that's.
So you will sell that one with like that, or you need to put in the?
We'll take it to the press this afternoon,
Okay.
and then tomorrow we'll pick it up,
Ah,
and the oil comes back
that's
in this.
oh nice.
Yeah. So then that's the oil from the last time.
Ah, do you have the processing machine?
We don't have one, no, but down the road they do.
Okay, so
we drive it down there.
so you need to bring after picking the olive and then you send it there.
We take it there, yeah, and we pay them per kilo to press it for us.
Okay, good.
Yeah. Then we bring back the oil, and then we let it settle a little bit,
Sell to the company or to the store?
We just let it settle
Mm-mm.
in here, and then we put it into these, and then we sell it. We sell the oil.
Oh, good.
Yeah. So we can.
Yeah, how long did you run this business?
This is only our fourth year.
40?
Four.
4 years.
We bought it from somebody else.
Okay, so we have the other owner before.
Yeah.
Yeah, and after
They
that,
built it. They
yeah,
planted the trees.
you brought in there.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so good. So that one is only morning. How many people picking with that?
That was 4 of us.
4 people.
Yeah. Our friends came to stay with us. And,
Yeah.
yeah. And so they pick it. Yeah.
So did you pay your friends also to pick that one?
Yeah.
So that's hourly. That's part-time job for your friends.
Yeah.
Just helping.
They just help in there.
Yeah,
They
and
just, we just make them dinner. That's all.
We need him
We give-
or her?
Well, 2 couple.
Couple.
Yeah.
So that's Australian also?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
She's from Indonesia.
Asian.
Yeah.
Asian, yeah. If you need them, and then they will come in here just to help.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Yeah, just come for a visit, help us pick. Yeah.
Yeah. But they're working also in the other company?
Oh yeah, they have other jobs.
You have another job?
Yeah, they're just friends.
Okay.
Yeah.
So nice.
Yeah.
So how far the tree of olive from your house?
Oh, this is them.
Around here.
Yeah.
Around your house.
They're all around our house.
Here inside. So pasukin natin, lalabs. Sakit sa pang mag-English. So this is the olive. So this is family business. So very beautiful stair. In here. How many trees you have in here?
300.
300 trees. That's for family as well. So only olives you plant in here, or we have another fruits?
Only olives. There's fig. That's a fig tree, but just for us to eat.
The pigs. Pigs is good. I think that one is very expensive also in Australia. Yeah.
Delicious.
But I think no. Can I go in there?
Sure. Yeah.
Oh, sorry to disturb you.
All right. Do you want to just wander around and then?
Yeah.
And I'll just go and
No, it's
finish my lunch. Is that all right?
Are you finished your lunch?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome to just have a walk around and then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the
And you
olive.
can call out and I'll.
No worries, thank you. Yep. So ayan yung may-ari, lalabs. Andito tayo sa olive. So pwede mag part-time. Akala parang grapes. Lalabs, akala ko grapes ang olive. Ang lalaki. So yun, hindi tayo hopefully makapagtrabaho tayo dito. Ayan, kasi meron pa akong sobrang oras. Kasi dun sa trabaho ko kasi, lalabs, pag holiday, ayun, may duyan pa. Pag holiday kasi dun walang trabaho. Yun ang day off ko. So, makikiusap tayo dito na na pag day off ko baka pwede na Ayan pala yung bahay nila, ang ganda. So, bago ako pumunta dito, kinausap ko yung may-ari. Ito yung ito yung hilaw. May mga pangalan. Ayan, Chloe, James. So may mga kanya-kanyang variety din pala siya. Ayan yung bahay nila, ang laki. So ang ginagawa pala nila, katulad kanina ayon sa pagkakaintindi ko lang, kausap ko siya kanina. Yun, yung process pala ng paggawa ng oil nito ay hindi hindi sa kanila. So dinadala nila, nagbabiyahe sila ng 1 hour para para dalhin doon. Tapos ang naging katuwang pala nila ay couple na Indonesian. Ayan, andito ang lawak. Nandito tayo sa ayan yung olive. Ayan, iba-ibang kulay. Akala mo grapes, may maliliit pa. At nakakatawa yung mga pangalan. Shout out pala everyone kung bago pa lamang po kayo nanonood ng aking vlog, na aking video. Lalabs, bago nyo po ito tapusin, ayan, may mga pangalan. O kung wala pang pangalan yung mga anak, pwede ba makatulong po ito sa inyo? Makapagbigay ng idea. Kung kayo po ay bago pa lamang pala sa aking channel, sa aking mga video na ginagawa, please pa like, pa comment, share, and subscribe po ng aking YouTube channel. And of course sa aking FB, sa aking Facebook. Baka hindi pa po kayo nakapalo doon, pa-share naman po and comment na din. So nandito tayo sa Olive. So naghanap pa ako, lalabs, dahil wala pa akong pasok ngayon. Naghanap ako ng kisa na nakatambay ako sa bahay, sa likodan dyan yung likod. Kisa nasa bahay ako, ang ginagawa ko, lalabs, ay ang ganda ng bahay doon, no? Dahil pa sa kalye. Habang nakatambay ako sa bahay, sabi ko, ikot-ikot muna ako sa mga farm dito. At narinig ko kanina meron din avocado. Puntahan ko rin yung avocado farm na yon, para at least, diba, sa Australia, pag may oras ka, pwede tayo marami mapasukan. Para pag walang pasok sa isang trabaho natin, pwede tayo palipat-lipat. Diba? Para hindi nasasayang ang araw, at dahil ang bayarin tuloy-tuloy, parang income natin ay tuloy-tuloy din. Ayoko magsayang ng oras, ayoko magsayang ng kasi lalo pag nag-stay lang ako sa isang room sa bahay, pag walang pasok, parang hindi ko talaga feel. Ayoko, mas sama ng pakiramdam ko pag walang ginagawa, pag nasanay talaga tayo sa trabaho. So ayan po yung hagda na ginagamit nila para sa pagpitas. Ayan. At salamat po pala, lalabs, sa di pag-skip. Huwag niyo pong skip yung ads sa aking mga video. And shout out po pala dyan kay Boss Jer ng Naga. Kay sino pa nagpapa-shoutout sa taga Hong Kong, taga Europe. Nakalimutan ko pangalan niya, sorry po. Shoutout po sa inyo dyan, salamat sa patuloy na pagtangkilik at panonood ng aking mga video. So yan lamang pampasilip natin dito sa sa Olive Farm, kasi pupunta ako mamaya sa avocado. Basta ito, mga mapapasukan, pwedeng pasukan to pag nandito ka sa Australia. Ayan, pwede tayo mag part time dito pag wala tayong pasok. So yun lamang po, adios, and salamat po sa panonood. Dios mabalos.